Welcome to this video tutorial on using MongoDB with Java. In this tutorial, we will explore how to connect to a MongoDB database, perform basic CRUD operations, and implement a simple Java application to interact with MongoDB. Before we dive into coding, let's ensure we've installed the necessary software. You need to have Java Development Kit, JDK, and MongoDB installed on your machine. You can download the latest version of JDK from Oracle's website and MongoDB from the MongoDB official site. Let's also add the MongoDB Java driver to our project. If you are using Maven, you will need to include the MongoDB driver dependency in your pom.xml file. Here's how you can do that. With the environment set up, let's create a new Java class. We will name it MongoDB Example. This class will contain all the necessary methods to interact with our MongoDB database. First, we need to establish a connection to the MongoDB database. To do this, we will use the Mongo client class provided by the MongoDB Java driver. This class needs a connection string to connect to the database. Let's create a method called connectToDatabase that will handle this part. Next, let's implement a method to disconnect from the database. This is essential for proper resource management when working with a database. Now that we can connect and disconnect, let's create a database and a collection. We will use the getDatabase and getCollection methods to accomplish this. We'll also include some error handling to ensure things run smoothly. Next, let's look at how to perform CRUD operations. We will start with the create operation, which involves inserting documents into our MongoDB collection. We will create a method called insertDocument. Moving on to the read operation, we will implement a method to find documents in the collection. For this, we will create a findDocument method which retrieves documents based on a specified key-value pair. Now let's implement the update operation. We will create a method called updateDocument, which will allow us to modify existing documents based on a key. Lastly, let's cover the delete operation. We will implement a method called deleteDocument to remove documents from the collection based on a key. Now that we have implemented the CRUD operations, let's wire everything together in the main method. We'll create a sample database and collection and perform each operation to showcase the functionality. That wraps up our tutorial on using MongoDB with Java. We've covered connecting to the database, performing CRUD operations, and a practical example to consolidate our learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Happy coding!